Honor has officially opened reservations for the upcoming robot phone, giving consumers an early opportunity to secure the device before its commercial debut in August. The Honor robot phone can now be reserved through Honor's official online stores in China. The robot phone was first showcased at MWC 2026 as the first commercial product. The camera setup includes a 200-megapixel 4D gimbal primary sensor with an f/1.6 aperture, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. The handset is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, a 6.3-inch to 6.4-inch 1.5K 4-sided narrow bezel flat display and support for 120W fast charging, the same used in Honor's flagship Magic V6 foldable hinge, to ensure the robotic arm's durability. Feature a massive 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery with 120W fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.